Hi guys, I'm here to do an unboxing. So I just got this in the mail. Well, not just got. I just got home. I got this package Friday. Today's Saturday. So yesterday I got this. And it's shipped through FedEx. So this is the box that it came in. And I'm not showing you the rest of the sides because that has my address on it. So let's open it. I'm so excited. So this was a late Christmas present from my husband. It was a pre-order item, so I gave him not an option, but he asked me what I wanted. So he got me 2 bags for Christmas, and this is one of them. So it just looks like this. Oh wow. Okay. So it has a whole bunch of air bubble. Okay. And can you guys see? Okay. So I'm guessing this is the return information as well as my receipt. I hope the lighting is okay. I'm filming in my office / game room in my house. So if you see a bunch of other things, that's why. And I'm eating a cough drop. I'm sorry. But yep, this is my return label, and let me show you the price. I'll link the bag down below. So it came with that, and they packed this tight. So, oh, it's upside down. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so this is the box. Can you guys guess what I got? Okay. It's wrapped really nice. It didn't come with a shopping bag, but it's okay. So let's open it. Let me see. I don't want to untie it. Okay, let me just slip this off. There we go. Okay. And they have the same boxes as Louis Vuitton and I think some Chanel bags where it's just magnetic right here. Okay. Comes in this paper with a sticker. Just take it out. So anyways, like I said, this was a pre-order. He originally purchased it through Saks Fifth Avenue, but the shipment was like estimated until April. That's the latest I'll receive it, is in April. And then I went on Gucci. Okay, so initially I wanted him to buy through Saks to get the 15% off your first purchase, and he didn't even do that. So I said, might as well just get it from Gucci, and I was gonna get it sooner than April. So this is what it looks like. I just pulled that off. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it's a nice silk drawstring dust bag. Oh. And it's in another felt cloth. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is really nice packaging. Okay, I can see the color. Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my goodness, can you guys see this? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I waited for this bag. So he ordered it the 20th? December 20th? I know, typical guy. Orders last minute. Oh, okay, how am I supposed to? Oh. And let me take this off. There we go. Oh wow, look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is really stuff. Okay. Wow, that's incredible. So all the hardware is nicely packed. Oh my god, look at this color. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize I had my Cheetos in the background. Anyways, oh my god. Okay, so it definitely looks, let me get out the frame. Oh, but my chair is orange, so this is like, let me try to cover it. Maybe you can tell the actual color of the bag. Okay, can you guys see that? That's not a very good job of covering. Okay. It's a bit darker in person, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love the feel of it. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. So this is the Gucci Marmont in the size mini in the red color in the velvet finish. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I went with the velvet. I went with the velvet because I already have the medium nude in the leather, so I wanted to try the velvet, and so I gave him the options of either this one or the black one because I'm selling all my black bags, so I kind of wanted another black bag with gold hardware, but instead he picked red because I knew he was gonna get red because that's his favorite color. But anyways, this is the bag. Let me take the chain out. So it's nicely stuffed. The interior is leather. It's beautiful. Okay, so we have the inside stuffed. Oh wow. Okay, so can you guys see the lining? Look at how beautiful that is. It comes with, and this is through Gucci.com. I don't know if I mentioned that. Oh, so it came with this. So it came with that. And a swatch of the fabric. It says Gucci responsibility in English as well as other languages. And then this one says also Gucci responsibility. So I think I just got two of this. That might have been an accident. I'm not sure. But let me pull it out. Let me take this off. Let me see. Okay, that was a struggle. Okay, let me take this chain out. So the actual bag is in velvet, and then the strap is actually leather. So let me pull it out. Oh my goodness. And then it has the heart. You can barely see the heart in the back. I'm sorry guys if the lighting is terrible, but I'm gonna try to go outside to show you guys how it looks in natural lighting. And it's 5 o'clock, so the sun's starting to go down already. But oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And I know that leather is more delicate, or velvet is more delicate than leather, but it's, I love it. It's super cute. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. Alright, let me show you guys outside with what I'm wearing right now. So this shirt is like an off the shoulder type. It's supposed to go like that. Let me see if you guys, it's supposed to go like that, but it's winter, so I have to wear a coat when I step outside, and that's usually how I film my outfits. So let me step outside and show you guys how this bag looks outside. I'll be back. Okay. See, oh, it's so pretty. See?